Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we'll be going to talk about the syllabus, Msc Static first semester syllabus. So here this syllabus is actually updated syllabus from the 2023 to 24 syllabus, first year syllabus it is. So here we'll be going to see the papers. So here in this year you in the semester, not only in the semester but in all 4 semester you'll be having 4 theory papers and 4 practical papers. Okay, so you'll be having four things. Okay, so here you can see first paper is mathematic analysis, and the second paper is linear algebra and linear model. Third paper is paper 3, that is 103 is probability theory, and 104 is distribution theory. So you'll be having a total 4 papers in the theory and 4 practicals in the practical. Here in the first practical you'll be having statistical method using Python programming, and for the second 106, that is practical paper, that is linear algebra and linear model conventional and using R method. In distribution theory conventional using the R method only, and data handling using R. So by using R in place of the problems, you need to solve all this everything in the practicals. So these are the 4 practicals in your first semester. Total you have 4 theory and 4 practicals. Okay, so how much marks paper you'll be having? You'll be having a total 75% of attendance is mandatory in your colleges. I cannot assure you that in every college it is like that, but in all the other colleges it is different. Okay, like some will give you the lenience and some may not give you. So according to your colleges you can do it. Now if we talk about the units, here for the paper 1 you'll be having 3 units in every paper, whether it is 101 or 102 or 103 or 104. In all the papers you'll be having only 3 units. Okay, 3 units and 3 long answer you need to attempt, and you need to attempt the short answers more. So this is how you will be having, and your paper will consist of 75 marks of paper or 80 marks of paper. Wait, let me give you that. I'll give you the model papers of this, and if you want those model papers you can download it from my Telegram channel, which I'll give you the link in the description box. Here you can see the units, unit 1 2 3 units, and also the references is given for every subject in the down. Right, here you can see for practicals how many practicals you have and how many weeks you can complete all those practicals. It is also there in a very feasible matter, like in a time feasible conventionally they gave you each and everything, so that you can see. In the second semester the same, you'll be having 4 papers, theory papers, and 4 practical papers. That's you'll having all these things. If you want this PDF you can download it from my Telegram channel. It includes 2 semester papers, 2 sem all syllabus. Okay, 2 sem all syllabus it is included. You can check it and you can download it from my Telegram channel. And if you have any doubts regarding anything, you can contact me through Telegram channel, or you can ask me any questions in the comment sections. Thanks for watching. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe channel for more notifications like this. And if you want anything else rather than all things, you can ask me. Thanks for watching.